Okay, so, I have my microphone on. Anyways, I'm only here to go over the updates for the game I made. So, the first update is killing morphs for Paxton and Griffin. Oh yeah, this is also a showing of Ellery. I probably shouldn't have shown that, but doesn't matter. I'm the game creator anyways. So then we have Wildfire, Jerry. So we also have a character that me and Junior made, which was a Robot Samurai, which is just my past Robbie morph, but with accessories. Then we have Richard Rabbit, which is for Centius, Max Emerald, James, the guy from Foxlight Gamers channel, also known as Boris. Yeah, also Paxton. Anyways, now we're gonna go over to the more morphs and show the potato skin. And I'm gonna say the description. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't see this before, I also added a few other characters, which is Mr. Crowser, which is pronounced Crow-Sir. Then there's Bubba Bunny, which is possibly one of Bunny's relatives. Ollie the Blue Owl, one of the teachers at the school. I don't even know if a Blue Owl exists, but I still did it anyways. And then we have other Georgie, another version of Georgie from another dimension. Then we have Peter Potato. Nobody really knows who attacked him hard enough to give him a gun attachment. Yeah, there was not much more any of these characters. So, there's also some updates to the winter base, which shows some lore on it. And also, I added some things to fit in Richard and Fury and Joel. So, now it's Paxton and Richard's cabin. And inside there is there's two beds, then a picture of Paxton, Richard, and Georgie. Then there's this note. I'm gonna read it. Because of Jerry moving his dang shop, Joel and Fury had to move their cabins. Should I confront Jerry sometime? Paxton. P.S. I don't need all these Robbie lawsuits. So then we have Fury and Joel's cabin over there. Fury's cabin has tarp on it because, winter. Actually, I should use my admin. Yeah. Yeah, and usually in real life, I'm known for making gibberish sounds. And I've already displayed this voice before if you've seen my past videos. Also, it's now Griffin and Willow's cabin. Then we have Paxton and Richard's cabin, which is the same thing as before, but without the note. Oh yeah, right. I was gonna say that was all for the updates, but then I forgot Winter Forest, so I'm gonna go to that real quick. Oh no. Copyright. Doesn't matter. Oh yeah, here's the Winter Forest, which has the same snow effects as the Winter Base. And me and Junior just made this a big fat square of duplicates. Okay, pretty sure that's it for now, so yeah, also always I'm pretty sure that that's it. So this has been another gameplay episode kind of thing with Proto PB, and I'll see you people in the next one.